Hello, I'm Surajit Day. I come from Panvel. Uh, I was very keen to know about the startup of mineral water plant. So while browsing through the internet, I came to know about this mineral water project. So I contacted Samitra sir, and this attended his training, and this training was quite informative and with a lot of knowledge, and the practical aspects and the actual facts has been shown in the training. And I have got a lot of information out of it, and I'm quite positive about the startup. And I would recommend this training program for everyone who has the dream of starting a startup of this mineral water
Okay.
projects.
Okay. Any particular point which you were thinking कि मैंने ये सोच रहा था और ये हो गया, something like that? ऐसा कुछ है? कुछ
Definitely. Before taking up this training program, I had a lot of confusions and about the whether it is possible to enter the business or not. But lot of technical aspects has been brought to me, and that was quite informative for me, quite
great,
helpful and useful.
great. Thank you, and I wish you all the best. And जल्दी आप चालू करेंगे और बंगाली मिठाई खाने के लिए मेरे को भी बुलाएंगे. So I will take that.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, myself Shadab Sheikh, SM Sheikh. I'm from Bhopal city, and before joining this training, I done lots of homework. कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है. I was pretty sure कि whatever I have made, that is 100% perfect because I'm a businessman. But once I joined this training, I came to know exactly all the calculation was completely wrong. Because whatever I have done on my best of my knowledge, but once the expert person will tell you what to do, how to do, and not to do, then the concept get clear. और उसके बाद जो calculations निकल के आती है, that I found some perfect calculations. इसके अलावा the best thing I found for this training कि जो basic वाटर साइंस है वो समझना बहुत जरूरी है. किसी भी बिजनेस में एंटर करने के पहले ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उसके कोर को समझिए कि एग्जैक्टली जो चीज आप सेल करना चाह रहे हैं वो है क्या चीज. So because this is not only to sell, like if you are market expert, don't think you can sell anything and people will buy. Before selling any of the product is very important. You should have deep knowledge about the product, and that only comes with the expert training. So I think this is the best. Thank you so much.
और आपका मैं एक अप्रिशिएट करना चाहूँगा. The businessman instinct acumen in you is superb. जब मैंने because I have hardly seen whenever I'm sharing the cost sheets, मेरे को बहुत दफे एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है cost sheet लोगों को. So particularly the segmentation में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ ना. I was very happy that the way you are talking to Surajit, I was listening. I was not going anywhere. मैं देख रहा था क्या कर रहे हैं. So I will really appreciate कि ये आप जो बिजनेस का सेंस है वो आपको बहुत ऊंचा लेके जाएगा. तो आई रियली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आप बड़ी बड़ी ऊंचाइयां छुए और ऐसे ही अपने भारत देश को अपने आगे लेके जाएं.
आपके आशीर्वाद से होगा सर.
बिल्कुल होगा सर. सो थैंक यू सो मच. एनीवे थैंक्स फॉर द